Hello, today I'll be doing a review on the Alpha Fang 5, Alpha VF. Okay, to start off, with the pieces. The corners and edges are similar to the Alpha 5, but inside the center caps and the inside core are very different. You probably can't see it, but like right here, the concave is very different, like the feel. But I tried taking them off and I broke a couple, so be very gentle. What's really unique about this cube is its feeling, okay? Like, there's no other cube like this. It's kind of hard to get in sometimes. Okay, it makes a noise like no other. Oh, by the way, these are Cubesmith stickers, not the ones that came with it. It's actually really small. Compared to a Diane Guhong, it's small. Okay, it's Guhong Alpha 5. It's noticeable in your hands, like, the pieces are really small, but like with the Guhong can cut easily, okay? Easily. This is actually not a bad cutting cube at all. Like, it can forward cut, not many other cubes can do that. Like, this is the Alpha 5. And it can cut alright, like, this cube has just a springy feel to it, and my friend Azosha, he's on YouTube, really funny videos, you should check him out. He told me when he keeps breaking this cube in, it gets a lot better. It has a really funny feel to it, but Mario Blue made it amazing. So personally, these cubes, I find it okay, but with my Lingyan and my Guhong, I would just say don't buy it because it's cheap. It's like $5 on my take, but it's not exceptional. I just wouldn't spend money on it. It's not worth it, whether it's cubes like the Guhong and the Lingyan out there. But it's a decent cube. Like, it doesn't lock up as much as the Alpha 5. I think the Alpha 5 is a bit better though. The Soon on this cube feels amazing. It's alright for one hand solving. Alright, hope you found this helpful. I don't really put much effort in it, but alright, bye.